Hi, I'm Zoe, and this is Cabin Fever Science. Today, we're gonna do invisible ink. Invisible ink. How awesome is that?
Ew, gross.
Some people go snooping around your messages. You don't want them doing that. Invisible ink will solve your problem. But this one involves fire. Make sure you have a parent with you because you can easily light your house on fire. Or yourself. Or both. And none of those things are good. Here's what you need. Lemon juice. I have no clue why I just sniffed a lemon bottle. Several pieces of plain white paper. Skewers. But you can also use toothpicks. And finally, fire! Dun, dun, dun. Make sure you have a parent with you because you can easily light your house on fire. Or yourself. Or both. And none of those things are good. First, you take one of your pieces of paper and put it right in front of you, like this. Then you take lemon juice and pour it into this little cup. Now grab one of your sticks and use it to write or draw something with the lemon juice onto your paper. After you finish your secret message, you have to let it dry till it looks like a plain piece of paper. Wow. Well, now it's time to get your grown up, and you have to toast it over the fire and reveal the message.
Get closer. Keep spinning around. It's too far, too far, too far.
Too far? No! Remember, it's really important to have an adult when you do this. You can totally burn yourself or your house down. And none of those are good.
Oh, shoot. Out, out.
Not the only one who has a fire.
Zoe, don't be smart.
I'm Zoe, and this is Cabin Fever Science. Don't forget to like and subscribe.